Timing changes everything in negotiation. The same deal with different timing can lead to a completely different outcome. In high-stakes deals, the fatal blind spot is ignoring the dimension of time. Most negotiators aggressively optimize price and terms, but overlook timing. If you do not control when the deal happens, you do not control the deal. Time is a physical weight on the negotiation scale, acting as leverage. Deadlines, urgency, and patience physically shift the balance of power and force decisions. Deadlines manufacture urgency. Pressure from timing forces fast decisions. As time runs out, the biological and corporate imperative is to act, often at the expense of optimal terms. The party with more patience usually wins. Patience creates a structural advantage, forcing the opponent to absorb the discomfort of the void. You wait for the exact right moment to strike. The tempo control matrix outlines fast strategies, using pressure and strict deadlines when holding the dominant position, and slow strategies, using patience and strategic delay when waiting out opponents' constraints. Leverage is actively generated by shifting gears between urgency and delay. Strategic delay acts as a pattern interrupt. Do not rush the deal. A sudden, deliberate pause in a fast-moving negotiation knocks the other side off balance and shifts the pressure entirely onto them. The end-of-quarter leverage squeeze shows that sales teams push harder and concede more near arbitrary internal deadlines. Buyers who control their tempo use this timing to negotiate significantly better terms. The negotiation tempo map outlines 5 rules for mastering timing leverage. Identify deadlines, avoid urgency traps, time your offers, use pauses, and stay patient. Tempo dictates terms, and data validates them. You now know how to manipulate time. Next, we will explore how to anchor your newly won leverage using objective market benchmarks.